All right, let's do the next trail. The next one, we are going to discover use cases for the platform. Okay, let's dig into it. So on this particular module, we are going to discover what kind of situation that Salesforce can be used for. Well, the quick answer is any kind of situation. So Salesforce makes everybody's life easier. So it makes complicated things simpler. So it makes decision making to decide simpler and less complicated. So there are several examples on this particular module, but I'm going to give you my own example to make things even more simpler. So for example, you and I are going to sell chocolates, okay? We are going to sell chocolates as part of a school fundraising program. So we are going to use Salesforce to do the fundraising to sell these chocolates. So what can Salesforce be used for? So for example, we can know what kind of chocolates we have, how many of each chocolates we have, what is the price of each chocolate, right? And then we start to sell them. We're going to start walking from neighborhood to neighborhood, from block to block. And as we sell them, we record where the sale came from. So maybe we can record the address, who bought the chocolate, how much chocolate, which neighborhood they came from. So everything is recorded, and then we can report on this. So next time when we do another fundraising, we know, neighborhood A is buying a whole lot more, hazelnut chocolates than neighborhood B. Whoa! So when we go to neighborhood A, we should sell and offer a whole bunch more hazelnut chocolates because people in neighborhood A looks like they like hazelnut chocolates, right? And neighborhood B like dark chocolate more. And we've sold like 50 dark chocolates in neighborhood B. And that kind of information can be recorded and reported on. So then when you want to sell the chocolates the next day, you know what kind of chocolates to offer, what type of chocolates, and so on and so forth. I hope that makes sense. The same thing goes to any other situation. If you're selling cakes, if you are selling t-shirts, if we are in a school environment and we are recording information about students' performance, how their grades are doing in each class. Mr. A, if Mr. A is teaching, everybody is doing great on their grades. Everybody doing their homework perfectly. But if Mr. C is teaching, how come all the students is not submitting their homework? Is the homework too difficult? And stuff like that. So it will make things easier to analyze and to decide upon on anything you are doing. I hope that makes sense. So on this particular trail, Salesforce use a business example. It has business terms. So I was thinking I want to use my own example to make things simpler. So here we have an example of a human resource department or an HR department and then an IT department, how they can use this platform to make things easier, make things more efficient, more useful, not complicated, not time consuming, all the good stuff. So Salesforce can help everybody in any way. We just have to actually build and design how Salesforce can make our lives better. That's the whole point. So for this office example, so on an office, we can see if there's a heavy email collaboration, meaning so much emails going back and forth, thousands of emails between hundreds of employees, and then everybody's using their own notes, spreadsheets, Excel spreadsheets, Google Docs, shared documents here and there. It's all over the place, and it's so messy, right? Now Salesforce can help streamline everything and centralize everything, and make people's life easier and work more enjoyable and more efficient and less time wasted. That's the whole point. So I hope I make sense of all of these, and you can read this through, but it's basically saying that Salesforce can be used for any kind of situation you have at hand. So you can help people's life and people to do their job, their work more efficiently and less time wasted. So okay. Next, we are going to do the challenge. These 2 questions, very simple questions. We'll do it in the next video for just maybe a minute or so. I'll see you in the next video.